In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and replace in Google Vids. Google Vids, part of the Google Workspace, has become an increasingly popular platform for video editing and sharing. Whether you're creating content for personal use, educational purposes, or for your business, knowing how to efficiently find and replace text within your video projects can save you a lot of time and hassle. Today, I'll walk you through this process step by step, making it as simple as possible. First things first, you need to navigate to Google Vids. You can do so by typing Google Vids into your web browser and selecting the official Google Workspace link for Google Vids. This will bring you to the main page of Google Vids where all the magic begins. Once you're on the Google Vids website, the next step is to sign in to your Google account. Look for the sign in button, which is usually located in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will prompt you to choose the Google account you want to use with Google Vids. If you're already signed into your Google account in your browser, this step might be skipped and you'll be taken directly to Google Vids dashboard. Having chosen your account and signed in, you're now set to start editing your videos. But before we can find and replace text, we need to open the video we're working on. Navigate to the video you want to edit. Once you've located your video, look for the edit option. This might be represented by a pencil icon, or it could simply be a text link saying, edit. Click on it to enter the editing mode of your video. Now you're in editing mode, it's time to use the Find and Replace feature. To start, look for the Find and Replace option. This could be in a menu, or you might find it by right-clicking in the text area where you're working. It's designed to help you quickly locate and change specific text within your video's texts, such as titles, descriptions, or any annotations you've added. Upon clicking the Find and Replace option, a dialog box should appear. In this box you'll see two main fields: Find and Replace with. In the Find field, type in the exact text you're looking to replace. This is case sensitive, so make sure you're entering the text exactly as it appears in your video. After typing in the text you want to find, move on to the Replace with field. Here you'll input the text you want to use as a replacement. This feature is incredibly useful for correcting typos, updating information, or simply changing your video's messaging without having to manually search through every bit of text. Once you've entered the text to find and your desired replacement, it's time to start the replacement process. You have the option to replace text one instance at a time, or to replace all occurrences across your video's texts. To replace text instance by instance, use the Replace button. This allows you to review each change as you go, providing more control over the editing process. And there you have it. How to find and replace text in Google Vids. This function not only enhances your video editing workflow, but also ensures your videos are as polished and accurate as possible. It's a simple but powerful tool within your video editing toolkit on Google Vids. Remember, while working within Google Vids or any other video editing platform, always keep a backup copy of your original content before making bulk changes. This preventive measure keeps your original work safe, allowing you to revert back if needed. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope this guide helps you to navigate and use the Find and Replace feature in Google Vids more effectively. Happy editing, and I look forward to bringing you more tips and tricks to make your video editing process as seamless as possible.